All right, so our next integral is going to be the integral of sine times square root of x with respect to x. So before we do anything, we need to get rid of that square root temporarily. So what we're going to do is set u equal to square root of x, and we're going to take the derivative of that. For du is going to be 1 over 2x to the 1/2, or 1 over 2 square root of x. I like the fractional exponent. It's easier for me to keep track of, so we're going to go with that. This is going to transform our integral into 2u sine u du. We can go ahead and pull out that 2. Our next step is, there's no other simplifications that we can do thus far. We have a trig function times an algebraic function, which means that we can use integration by parts to continue solving and keep going. So what we're going to do is set, we've already used u, so we're going to go ahead and make a new variable called w. We're going to set w equal to u and dv equal to sine of u. This means that dw is 1 and v is going to be negative cosine u. So following the formula for integration by parts, which is, let me just get this screen better for you guys, which is uv minus the integral of v du. This is easier to remember if you use this trick called ultraviolet voodoo. uv v du. It's very easy to remember it like that. So anyways, this is going to transform our integral into 2 times u, 2u negative cosine of u minus cosine of u du. Now, instead of solving right away, we want to try and see if we can simplify anything, and we can. There's 2, we made a little smiley face there. There's 2 negative signs. So what this is going to do is make 2u minus cosine of u plus the integral of cosine of u du. Now, solving the integral, this will be 2u minus cosine of u plus the integral of cosine is sine. So this will be plus sine of u plus c. Now we just have to sub back in. We've had 2 substitutions. So what we're going to do is skip ahead and substitute both in at the same time, which is going to give us 2 times the negative I'm pulling out this negative to the u to get it away from that cosine. So 2 negative square root of x cosine square root of x, I'm sorry, plus sine square root of x plus c and we are done.